Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Can you guys hear me? Alright, bet. Spies at the 30-minute optimal. I want to see a retest of this buy to sell. We broke the 30-minute low here. Let's look at ES. We held this one though. I want to see a retest of this 30-minute imbalance. And then same thing here. Alright, so let's go over this. A little sketchy. Here because overnight we swept the outside daily, inside daily low. And we held it on the 4-hour, meaning they don't want to continue lower. Now, we did break it above. We did break it on the hourly, right? As you guys can see, we broke it on the hourly, and this was the last up move before that breakdown here. So we rejected the high, which is good. So it's telling us, hey, I don't want to continue higher. So what I'm shooting for here is in the next 28 minutes to sell off all the way to pretty much overnight lows. Let's go 30-minute real quick. Let's go 15-minute real quick. See, so here the 15-minute broke, right? Retested, stay below the highs. Okay. Here the 15-minute retested the buy to sell. Buy to sell. Okay, cool. So then if we're gonna look for an entry, I need a retest of the 30-minute imbalance. We don't need it because we already did on the 15. I'd want to see a we can get a 1-minute retest. See, NQ already retested the 1 minute, so we should just continue lower here with some nice momentum. Now, I would love it from here, but that'd be in a perfect world. So we'll see what it wants to do here. It's gonna let me let him up. So yeah, I just expect momentum here to continue selling off. Let's see if we can at least break this here on the 5. We held it on a 5. We broke it on ES, but we held it on NQ. ES wants to continue here selling off. SPY looking really good. It's rejected that optimal nicely, that 30-minute imbalance. We did stay below the 5-minute high here, so I mean, SPY is telling me lower. We did break above the high on QQQ though, so I don't like that. We now need to break below this low. If we can get a tap in here, I'll take the risk here. And 28.23, pretty much the weekly open. And just gotta wait here. Right back. Nice rejection so far. QQ daily open. Let's see if NQ can get the 5-minute break now. 10 seconds. It held again. This shit has to be a joke, bro. This shit is trolling. It held the low again. Yo, good morning, YouTube. I just saw y'all. I'll run a special for y'all. Goot. Don't get impatient, guys, especially with this volatility. If you get impatient, you're gonna pay the price. So now that, I mean, ES broke the low, it left a little 5-minute gap. We can just wait for a retest here, or we can wait for the break of on NQ. The 15-minute hasn't even closed yet. So if the 15-minute holds on ES as well, it's just gonna push up into here. So there's no reason to try to get FOMO or try to short it just yet. Just be cautious. Just to give you an idea as why I'm being patient. One minute broke for continuation there. NQ retesting the 1 minute. Let's see if it rejects and stays below 700. Stays below 700, I'll give it a jab. So right at this 28,700 level. Sweep this double top, tap into the imbalance. I'm not gonna love this. The 15 minutes gonna hold. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna love this here. Being patient, being patient. Look at that strong push. There goes ES. Just tapped into the imbalance. 30 seconds left here. I'm gonna take some sells here. I'm gonna take a jab at sells here. If we close above 28,786, we'll stop out. So we're risking 20 points here. This is we retested on ES. 15 seconds. Oh, that's gonna tap the 50% here. Oh, damn. See, now this is where it gets complicated. 5 broke. 15 broke also on ES. Alright, let's risk the 5 minute. Fuck it. Larger time frame. Rejected the hourly high. See what happens here. This is where we should reject off the weekly open. If we close above on the 5 minute here, I'll stop out. Strong ass push, bro. Let's see if E is gonna go for that. That sell to buy worked out on QQ there. This big divergence. If we can close below the weekly open, I'll scale in. My trade syncer didn't fucking copy. What the fuck? Yeah, it's not copying. Well. Waiting for the 30-minute tap here on ES. Damn, bro. This is why I wanted. This is why I was being so patient the whole time. Even that 1 minute high. Iran news just dropped. They say wait for Jordan to enter. Drop the news. To have a meet to face ease tension. Alright, sure. We're at the rejection zone here. If we break above the 5 minute high here on ES, I'll cut these cells. The 15-minute range is from here to here right now. So if we break above this on the 15, invalidates. Break above this on the 5, it invalidates it. It's so crazy. The fucking news, bro. Stay below the weekly open. It came to fill all the gaps there. We tap the premium. $40 seconds here. Nice rejection from the premium so far. Nice. We stay below the 5 minute high. It can get one more pop so ES can tap the 30-minute imbalance. If it does, I'm honestly going to take the risk and I'm going to scale in. There's the next leg. There's that pop. See if you can get the tap. We stayed below the 5-minute high. We have to wait 9 more minutes for this. There's a tap of ES. We're at the high here on NQ. See if it sweeps the overnight highs. We just swept overnight highs. 9 more minutes here. Three minutes left here. Damn, bro, I fucking knew. But it was the fucking sell to buy. I thought we did reject though. I just it's okay. We haven't broken above. $15-minute broke below. A minute and 40 seconds here. I really can't believe they pushed the fucking news on us. We're right back in the same 15-minute range. $29,000 level here. And we still have 6 minutes for this fucking 15-minute, bro. It's a long time. Yeah, that's an insane candle, man. Can't believe the fucking news came out right when we got in. Being very patient here. See how any little news would be bullshit? They plan to do face to face, they didn't agree on it yet. uh, it's fucking insane, bro. $29,000 level here. I'm gonna take the risk. I'm gonna scale in here. I scaled in here. 28,870 is my new average. 28,870 is my new average. 29,000 psych level rejection. 30-minute retest here. 15-minute broke to the downside. I think this is just a pump to trap some buyers up here. Unless in the next 4 minutes we break above on the highs, then I'll cut it. Putting a little bit more risk than I want to realistically, but I'm confident that larger time frame will play out here. Mm-hmm. 3 more minutes here. This hourly close is going to tell us everything. We're at the inside daily, outside daily, weekly low here again on QQQ, so this is a retest. Feel that imbalance down. Good, good, good. Keep letting go, baby. 2 more minutes. Hmm. One minute left here. Stay below, stay below. That's crazy. We're at break even. I'm not getting excited yet, but we closed below on the 15. Great. We closed below. Good, 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 good. Oh my. Come on, continue rejecting. It's not enough. Look at that 30-minute got respected. Sheesh. There's an imbalance tap here. Imbalance tap on ES as well. Bro, I can't believe this 1 minute candle was 100 points up and down. This is fucking insane. We stay below the high. Why are we still pushing, bro? ES stayed below the high again. My last skeleton here. 29,920 is my average now. ES stayed below the high. If we break above the high, that's it. We'll be out. We stay below in the larger time frame, so I don't see why we're still pushing. ES rejected the high again. Come on, stay below ES. Nice. E is getting a nice rejection here. Come on, stay below 29,000, bro. Yep, that's why I said small size, because this volatility is crazy. Ranges are above, over 1,000 points, so. This is a larger time frame setup, bro. So smaller time frame, I know it looks crazy. Larger time frame, really haven't gone anywhere. Yep. If we can let go of 29,000, I believe we get some momentum down. ES is trying to lead us. NQ and QQ are capping here. Nice. ES, nice rejection. Fill the hole and balance down. We're staying below 29,000 here on NQ. ES really wants to continue lower, while NQ's trying to cap here. Another 29,000 psych level tap here. Inverse or value gap tap on ES. This is it here. Come on. Come on, reject and stay below 29. There we go. Come on. Bro, we're just chopping around now. We didn't even break above on the 30 either, nor the 15. Yeah. Don't see why we're pushing other than the news, but bro, let go of 29,000. We slightly closed below 29,000 here. Come on, catch the momentum, bro. Nice momentum from 29,000 rejection. We need stronger push down. There we go. ES leading us. Come on, get us down, baby, bro. Bro, YouTube is lagging like crazy. Damn, why? This is why I tell you guys, this whole week, this whole month, since the volatility started with the war and everything again, I told you guys, size down, size down. You thought I was joking when I said 1 to like 3 cons max. 3 cons max and you can make a lot of money. One contract, 200 points, that's already 400 bucks up or down. That's why I tell you guys to size down all the time. Some of you guys hit daily loss limit. It's just the sizing, man. You have a 50K account, you have $1,000 to play with daily with this range. Instantly 300 points up, 400 points down, 1,200 point range. Like, you gotta realize we're at break even here. So if anyone lost an account or anyone, you know, hit a day loss limit, sizing is the biggest thing, guys. Beautiful. 10 points here. Nice. 15 points here. Nice. 20 points here. Beautiful. Beautiful. 30 points here, guys. Oh my god, what a comeback. Oh my god, we're up nice. Give my fucking money. Boom. Stops and profit. What a fucking boom. Banger. Let's go. What a scaling. All y'all wanna know how many cons? All with just 6 cons of scaling in. Started with 2 cons, added 2 cons on the other one, and added 2 more once we saw the 15-minute hourly and everything closed below, and we saw the retest of the Industry Valley Gap. So a total of 6 contracts. And I have over $8,000 on each account. That tells you guys something. If I did 6 contracts in total, started with 2 contracts, that's it, guys. Like, sizing is everything. Let's fucking go. What a banger, bro. Wow. That if you don't call that conviction, I don't know what the fuck to tell you, because this was a larger time frame setup. It's so easy to get caught up in moves like this if you're focused on just a 1 minute, 5 minute. My setup was off the 30 minutes. Since the whole morning you guys heard me say, hey, I wanted to tap into here, I would love it here. And then we stayed below the highs. And then we had a shift down here, and then we had inverse for value gap here. And then same thing for NQ. We stay below the 15-minute high. We stay below the overnight highs on the hourly, the 30-minute, the 15-minute. The 5-minute is the only thing that broke. So right now we need this to break, right? 28,875. And then the 1 minute did the inverse for rally gap as well. So beautiful setup in both NQ and ES. That's how you properly scale in. You don't just scale in just to have a better fill. That's something I always tell you guys. Do not scale in just to have a better fill. Your job, you only scale in when the criteria meets again, right? Meaning it shifted again, it stayed below a high, it retested another imbalance or industry value gap. That's when you scale in, you add more, because you're confident now that your larger time frame levels didn't get invalidated, and then you're confident that your smaller time frame is forming you a little bit more rejection zones in this area. You scale in a little more size. So what a fucking banger. 6 contracts, bro. 6 contracts isn't even crazy with being super confident. Frank, you know, if I'm super confident, I'll smack a 20, 25 on that shit. But I know that in this volatility, anything above 10 contracts from you right now, it's easily asking to lose $4,000, $3,000. So if anyone added more than 10 contracts on this setup, you, 1, possibly lost your account. 2, you didn't listen to me. So I hope you take this as a lesson again. If you fucked up again, right? Those are the 1 things I want you guys to remember. Right now, it's a 5-minute low breaks right here, and you feel scared or you're missing out, you can then add some more here. You can add some more sales once this 5-minute breaks, okay? But you need to wait 1 minute and 10 seconds. ES was telling us the stories the whole time. ES had a beautiful buy to sell. ES broke on the 15-minute low, right? Never got above the high again. This was also the confirmation. And NQ did hold it, but ES broke it, but it never broke above the high. So that is another sign telling you it doesn't want to go higher. 80 points here. 80 points here, guys. Sadly, I lost your Apex. Your day loss limit hit on that? I'm pretty sure it did, Brandon. Eight, Brandon? 8? Brandon did 8? I was at 6. Bro, I was down like, yeah, 15, 1600 on this trade. My funders were 400 away from dying. Damn. Wait, you made it back, Brandon? I can't see your picture. I don't know why it's not loading up. Look at that. Beautiful. We're going to get the 5-minute break here. 5-minute breaks. 5-minute break. Stays below weekly. Retest weekly. We dump. We dump. We're going to dump. We're going to dump. We're going to dump. We're going to dump. Buckle up. We're going to dump. We're going to dump here. We're going to dump. We're going to dump. This is a weekly open here. We should just reject. We already tested this. Unless it wants to come and tap this one here. But off this weekly open, that should be it. Right here should be the criteria to just continue dumping. I can't see the picture right now. I don't know why. Yeah, you're away in profit. Yeah, Marco. Yeah, scaling. If you, yeah, for you, 1 con, bro. Yeah. Let's see. Holy, I'm back. 1800 drawdown to come back break even. I did 3 each skeleton. Damn, 3 on each. Look at that beautiful retest of this imbalance. Should reject here. Nasty skeleton props Jordan. Thank you guys. Thank you. Like I said, I try to guide you guys as best as possible. I know maybe throughout that process some of you guys panic. Like I already know there's someone that was following me got out. I know that. They got out because they saw how much they were down. But that tells you once again, stop focusing on the P&L. Focus on the trade. Focus on your levels. Focus on the larger time frame setup. I tell you guys all the time. Beautiful. Look at that. What a fucking beauty. If you missed it, that was your chance to take it. That was beautiful. 100 points here. What was I saying? Yeah, I know someone probably panicked there. I know someone panicked, but that tells you, and that just reminds you that they're not paying attention to the larger time frame, and they're not paying attention to their highs and lows. So I always tell you guys, whenever I run mentorship, you guys don't want to take it because you guys want to be cheap, don't want to invest in yourself. This is your cost now. Whatever you didn't pay for mentorship, you paid for an account today. So you know, if you don't watch the videos, you're paying for the account today. If you don't watch the recaps, you're paying for your account to get started again. If you don't watch the overviews, you're paying for your new account. Oh my god, what a fucking beautiful trade, guys. Oh, say can you see? 130 points, guys. Bro, why is this shit lagging? You feel that 29,000? Nice. I'm not gonna lie, the emotions are strong when I'm in the trade. Yeah, but that's what trading's about, bro. You gotta control those emotions. That's the biggest thing is you cannot focus on the P&L, guys. You just can't, bro. You can't look at your dollars. That's why if you know you're gonna look at your dollar amount, just literally you can hide the balance or you can size in less and just let it play out. You can only focus on the trade, not the P&L. Yep. That's a nasty comeback, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, yeah, if you're scared, if you're scared to trade, trading is not for you. I heard someone heard the World Cup was looking for someone to sing the anthem. Fucking dead. What a beautiful day. It's rejecting 28,800 here. It rejects 28,800. We should continue lower now. What a day. What a day. What a day. I'm gonna trim some here. But yeah, balance at 4K on the 50K. Nice, bro. Where are you taking me? Oh, and you asking because I know you on the 50. I'm trying to be like you. 5 payouts in the day. Nice. Damn. Damn, you got some balls, Lehigh. You were risking it today when being payout. I'm gonna get you a coffee. You're real one, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Oh my god. Whoever added in there, you're up fucking stupid right now. You're up nice. Ew, I like that. I like the way you do it. Nice, bro. Good job. See, sometimes you guys gotta stop being scared. Like, you guys know what y'all are doing sometimes, but 99% of the time, you guys are scared, bro. You guys are scared to take the risk. You got into trading because you were willing to take the risk of not working a 9 to 5, not having to work for someone else, right? So if that was your risk and that was your take of getting into trading and to prove everyone it's not fucking gambling, then why aren't you taking that risk when it comes to actually trading, right? You're taking a risk, taking on trading already. So take the risk on the fucking trades, guys. Please. I always told you guys that was my biggest issue when I first started was being scared to actually execute. And every time, I'm gonna tell you because this probably happens to you guys to remind you. Every time you're like, okay, I should get in here because it's gonna go. You're like, nah. Then you go, and then once it's going, you chase, and what does it do? Go the opposite direction, right? Oh my god, that used to be the worst shit, bro. I used to hate that. Yeah, let's go, man. Good shit. Nice, Marco. Marco, did you gain back what you lost yesterday? I scaled in all the way up there from 2 cons to 3 cons. Nice, bro. Nice. Look at you guys. Exactly, bro. You guys are crazy. You guys are killing it, man. I'm proud of you guys. Bro started trading when you have money like it's dead. Sorry, I need to read the YouTube chat. My bad. I need some more confirmation. Bro, I got my headphones on max volume. Sorry, yeah, I need a new chair. This shit cracks a lot, bro. Beautiful. Oh, today's Friday? No, tomorrow's Friday. Remember, every Friday I do an account giveaway. So tomorrow, YouTube, make sure you guys tag us. Discord, you guys get in too. You guys get a free 50K Lucid account. Bro is reading halfway. Great conviction. Yeah, I'm not scrolling all the way up, bro. Fuck all that. But beautiful. You guys get to see this every day, trading live in front of you guys. All right, YouTube. I'm hang up on you guys. I need to have a talk with my Discord. I'll talk to you guys later. Please tag us on Twitter. Deuces, appreciate it. And the giveaway will be announced tomorrow.